Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve this question 3151 Spatial Array 1. This question is marked as easy but has been asked in Amazon. Let's say what they are saying. They say that an array is considered spatial, okay, if every pair of its adjacent element contains two numbers with different parity. This is what they are saying. And what is given to us? An array of integer nums. We have to return true if the num array is spatial, otherwise return false. Okay, let's try to understand what is this parity and how we are going to do this. What does parity mean? Whether an integer is even or odd. And how do we figure out whether the integer is even or odd? If we just take an integer and take the modulus with 2, if it is coming as 0, it means that number is divisible by 2, that will be called even. And if that number is not divisible by 2, it means the remainder is 1. There's only one possibility of remainder. Then that number is odd. So this is the parity mean. So in this array, there should not be two items together. This kind of pair, I and I plus 1, this kind of pair should not have same parity. It means if it is even, it should be odd. If it is odd, it should be even. No other possibility. So how do we check that? We can check every pair. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. So for every I, we will just check I plus 1. And if we are going till I plus 1, so I can go from 0 till n minus 2. So that we will have n minus 1 for every index. And what about j? J is, we are not having j. We'll just compare I with I plus 1. That's all. If they are both same parity, just check the modulus with 2. If it is coming as 0, take the modulus with 2. If it is coming as 0, if by any chance their modulus with 2 is coming same, it means they have the same parity, but we are requiring array with different parity. So our code will look like this. For I equal to 0 to n minus 2, if element at I modulus 2 is equal to element at I plus 1 modulus 2. If it is even, it should be odd. If both are same parity, then they are going to return the same remainder. If that is the case, return false directly. Otherwise it is true. That much we have to do. We have to iterate over the array to check every pair. Pair is going to be I and I plus 1. So take care that you have enough space for I plus 1. So it means I is going till the second last item. So this is the approach. What is the time complexity? We are doing one single iteration over the given array. And what about space? We are not taking any extra space. So this is the time and space complexity for our approach. Now let's quickly code this and try to see if it is getting submitted or not. First of all, I need to iterate over this array. Int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length. It means going till last item, but we want to go to second last item, I plus plus. And now we want to check the parity. Parity means take the modulus with 2. Nums of I modulus 2 is equal to nums of I modulus 2. Just write plus 1 here, because we want element with different parity. So if it should be different for every pair. This is the condition to check every pair, and if that pair is having same parity, return false directly. And if we are not able to find any such pair, return true in the end. Let's test over sample test cases. Yeah, code is fine. I'm just submitting it. It got submitted successfully, and I hope you understood the approach. Thank you guys. Bye bye.